If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. Hello and welcome to Flash Kitchen. In today we're going to be making a snack which everyone would love to eat. It's crispy and delicious. I call it the bread fingers. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need to make the bread fingers are 8 slices of bread, half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, a teaspoon of oregano or pizza seasoning, a teaspoon of red chili flakes, around 4 tablespoons of refined flour, 3 to 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 3 to 4 tablespoons of cornflakes, a pinch of salt, then around 3 tablespoons of eggless mayonnaise. Then take the mayonnaise in a small cup. To that, add the red chili sauce, the tomato ketchup, the oregano seasoning, and the red chili flakes. Now combine all these to make a single sauce or the filling for the bread fingers. Then with the help of a knife, remove the sides of the bread slices and cut them in half horizontally or the lengthwise. Then take 2 plates or 2 bowls. In one of them, pour the milk. Then in other plate, add the refined flour, breadcrumbs, hand crushed cornflakes, and a pinch of salt and mix them really well. Then take a slice of bread and apply a teaspoon of the filling. And make sure you apply it uniformly. Then on top of that, place the other half of the bread slice. And now we can coat it. First, place the bread finger on the plate which contains the milk. Let the slices soak for about 10 seconds. Then you can transfer it to the breadcrumbs mixture and coat it really well on all the sides. And if you want to make this a non-vegetarian version, then you can add an egg to the milk and also a little bit of salt. That's it. Then similarly make the other bread fingers. Then take a skillet or a tawa and add around 1 tablespoon of oil. You can add more if you want to shallow fry it. Then set the flame at medium to low. So by slowly cooking this on medium flame can make the outer layer crispy, and that's what we want. Then after 2 minutes, gently flip them and again roast for 2 more minutes, and this will be done. That's it, the crispy and delicious bread fingers. Do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. And remember, don't just eat to live, live to eat. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out.